So we're going to start with a step together, and we're going to go to the right. So 1, 2, and you're going to do the same thing to the left. So step together, and then one more time to the right, step together. While you're doing that, your arms, so whichever way you're leaning with, that shoulder is going to drop. So if we're going to the right, we're going to be like this, and we're going to have our arms out. So when we step, our arms will be out. When we come together, arms in, out, in. Same thing for this side. And one more time to the right. And then you're going to turn around to the back. And you're just going to do that same thing. So, and then once you do it to the back, you're going to turn back to the front. And then you're going to bend down a little bit, and you're going to flip your hands up. So you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to play your little air guitar back to your spot. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to do your arms again. So you're going to do 1, 2, 3, and then turn to the back. 1, 2, 3, back to the front. Shake your arms back up, and then air guitar again. Now we're going to do the stomp claps. So you're going to stomp with your right, and then clap. So you're going to clap 8 times. You're going to do right, left, down, down, right, left, down, down. Once you do that, you're going to kick, step back, kick, step back. So you just did your claps, and then you're going to kick, back, kick, back. Once you do that, you're going to go up to the right, up to the left, and then you're going to shing it back. So all that together, starting from the beginning, you're going to go to the right, to the left, to the right, to the back. Right, left, right, back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this again. To the back. To the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then stalls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick, step, back, kick, step, back, up, right, up, left, shimmy back. Once you do that, you're going to take your right leg, and you're going to kind of lean on it, and then lean back to the left. So 1, 2. Once you do that, you're going to take your right leg behind your left, and you're going to turn this way. And then you're going to do the same thing. Lean right, lean left, back to the front. Once you do that, you're going to jump 4 times. And you're going to kind of like, if you don't want to jump, you don't have to. You can just kind of pop your knees out. And then we're going to get down. And then we're going to jump up. And then we're going to go back to your little arm things. And do that, to the back, to the front. You're going to shake up, and air guitar back. And instead of doing it again, you're going to go straight to the claps. And do this whole section again. Kick, step, back, kick, step, back, up, right, up, left, shimmy, back. We're going to rock. To the back, rock, to the front. Steps. Down, back up. Then you're going to do it again. Then you go back here. Back. Back to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this time you're going to do it twice. So hit this again. Back, right, left, right, to the front, shake, 2, 3, 4, air guitar, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to go back to our claps. Kick, step, back, kick, step, back, up, right, up, left, shimmy, back. And instead of doing this move again, we're going to do another set of claps. Kick, step, back, kick, step, back, up, right, up, left, shimmy, back, and then hit your end post.